What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're back, freaking love you. Before I start the video, I really want to thank every single one of you guys because we just hit 20,000 subscribers, which is huge to me. Like, this is insane. Like, I was never expecting to get these many people watching my stuff like this. I only started making vlogs for YouTube like exactly a year ago from today. And it's honestly insane how far we've gone, and this is only the beginning. I appreciate every single one of you guys always liking, commenting. It's freaking awesome to be able to share my experiences, my progress on both my Eclipse and my Evo. Anyway, today we're gonna be modifying my Evo 9 and my friends as well. I'm actually on his way to his house. We're gonna be doing this very specific modification that a lot of Evo guys actually do, but there's not really many how-tos or any videos on how to do it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it for you guys. We're actually gonna go to the car wash, probably get some roller shots, go on a photo shoot as well. Just have fun for today. Honestly, it's a Saturday, it's beautiful outside, and I really wanted to get a vlog out for you guys and do something new to the Evo today. So I'll see you right now once we get to my friend's house and we'll check out his Evo. And we're here. I don't see his Evo anywhere, but I do want to show you guys his 500 horsepower BK1 Turbo Genesis. It's on E85. He had it fully built like around a year ago. Got it tuned at road race. Drove for like 50 miles and then his turbo blew out, so it's been sitting ever since. And I always tell him to fix it, but he stays slacking. I think he left it open. Let me see. Oh, it is open. Check this thing out. Fully built. I don't know much about these, but it's a big ass turbo. Anyways, I'm just gonna wait for him to pull up because he's obviously not here. I'm gonna call him real quick and then make sure that he's on his way. Oh, there he is. This dude just got some brand new Falcon Zennies. These are the same tire pretty much setup that I have on my NT03s, the other wheels on the Evo I had. And this was actually supposed to be my hood. So when he bought this car, he actually didn't like it. It was full carbon fiber and he was actually gonna trade me, and then like last second he decides to keep it and paint it himself. So I'm super salty about this hood because it was supposed to be mine, but I will get one of these eventually. I feel like this is the best looking hood for the Evo, alongside that lip and then the carbon fiber air duct covers. And this dude is actually gonna move that car so we could put his Evo right there and then mine right next to it, and so that we could actually start. We're basically gonna be doing a rear wiper delete. It's a super common mod that Evo guys do. In my opinion, this thing looks super janky. It doesn't look good, especially if you're wingless. Like, I'll show you on his car. Like, if you're wingless and you just have this thing pretty much sticking out like a sore thumb, it looks freaking dumb in my opinion. So we both got one of these. They're super cheap on eBay for like 15 bucks. Just look them up as a Evo 8 or 9 rear wiper delete plug and it should come up. This dude can't parallel park. Keep going, there you go. What rims? Those are already curved. so all the tools you really need are, what? It's on a camera. It should be like a 10 millimeter, yeah, 22 millimeter if I recall. I'll see right now. Let me get the 10 out. Alright, so here's the plug. It's just like a generic plastic one. Quality's alright, I guess. But first step is you gotta basically take this apart. This should be a 10 millimeter, and you basically loosen it so that you can go ahead and remove the wiper arm. It's low-key a pain in the butt with a wing on here though, just to get access. But once you get this off, you'll have access to this bolt right here, which is a 22 millimeter. There you go, like that. So you'll end up with that. Bam, excuse my messy trunk. All right, so once you open your trunk, you go down here. As you can see, the motor is attached by 3 10 millimeter bolts, which are kind of hard to see, but once you're in there, you'll be able to see them. You want to go ahead and disconnect that to take off the motor out of there, and you also want to unplug it from all the wiring attached. As you can see, we can't take it out because the torsion bar is in the way right here. So Gabriel's gonna come out here and close the trunk slightly. What? There you go, it's kind of out. There you go. All right, so it's still attached. I think it's from this guy right here. Yeah. And then yeah. So just remove this guy. Zip tie. What zip tie? Oh, this one right here? Yeah, we'll cut that off. This guy off real quick. There you go. And the rear wiper motor's out. This whole piece. Water hose on it here. Let me see. Oh yeah, so this is basically where the water squirts out from. Push this out right here. And then let me go on the inside real quick and get the other piece. And then you do have this hose. I highly recommend you clinking it and zip tying it, because if you do turn on your rear wiper motor, it's going to throw water all over your trunk, and you really don't want that. You also want to go ahead and make sure all these things are hidden so nothing's hanging loose. Damn, these pliers suck, bro. There you go.
He's just not strong.
Put this in here. Clean this up real quick. Make sure you have a clean finish. Yeah, that smells good. You just simply insert it. It's a perfect fit. Yeah, no more wiper motor. Looks super clean in my opinion. Barely noticeable. It just gives a car a more simple look versus the big fat arm like on this one. Yeah, that thing's nasty. So we're gonna go ahead and start on this one. I'm gonna let him do it real quick. It'll take us like 5 minutes. Alright, so my car is clean. I did clean it like yesterday, so we're actually gonna go to the car wash and wash Gabriel's silver Evo 9. After that, we're probably gonna go on a quick little photo shoot for both the cars, bring you guys along. But I mean, if you really like the look of this, some won't, but I personally do. I think it gives the car an overall better look. Of course, it's super cheap to do, 15 bucks, like 20 minutes of your time, so I highly recommend it. Anyways, let's head out to the car wash and clean this dirty bitch. Alright guys, we pretty much finished the whole photo shoot. As you guys can see, we completely changed the whole end of the car just with a simple little modification like a rear wiper plug. If you want to do it, remember this thing's on eBay. Just look up Evo rear wiper delete plug and it should come up. For now, we're actually going to go ahead and finish off the video here. If you guys would actually want to see more install videos on this Evo specifically, let me know in the comments. I mean, he's got a lot of mods coming, so we could modify this one as well for you guys in the channel alongside my Evo 9. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the video off right there. Hopefully you guys liked it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.